EAS.
Mobile homes will be heavily damaged.
Another VDS.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Benton, Bryant, Malvern, Haskell, Shannon Hills, Rockport, Traskwood, Tull, Paren, Pula, Salem and Saline County, Cane Creek, Bryan, East End, Alexander, Bauxite, Donaldson, Avila, Belfast, and Magnet Cove. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 87.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County and western Arkansas, south central Yell County and central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County and central Arkansas, western Perry County and central Arkansas, northern Garland County and central Arkansas, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles west of Lake Washita State Park, or 15 miles northeast of Mount Ida, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and 2-inch hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous
Trained
to those
weather
caught
spotters,
without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations
Doubleheader.
include Hot Springs Village,
It's going to be a doubleheader.
Sedona, Jesseville, Lake
I'll be at
Washita
EAS
State
100 in no
Park,
time.
Mesa, Atlin, Foose Junction, Washita, DeBerry, Long Mountain,
My prayers for
Finney,
those people.
Story, Owensville, Hamilton, Mount Tabor, Hollis, Lean Landing Recreation Area, and Nimrod. The National Weather Service in Little
we still
Rock
gotta wait a
has
minute
issued a
because it
severe
didn't sync with the
thunderstorm
radios
warning
yet.
for southeastern Saline County and central Arkansas, northern Grant County and central Arkansas, eastern Hot Spring.
Here we go. Tornado warning. My prayers for these people.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Montgomery County and western Arkansas, northwestern Garland County and central Arkansas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles north of Myers, or 13 miles east of Mount Ida, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation.
School?
Impact, flying debris will
Hope
be
these guys
dangerous
don't
to
get
those
hurt.
caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mountain Pine, Lake Washita State Park, Avant, Hamilton, Mount Tabor, Crystal Springs Landing, and Lena Landing Recreation Area. The National Weather